We're going to have soon a masterclass about the Mayan calendar. This is going to be a very different way of interpretation. The Mayan calendar, who this wisdom correspond to the Mayan teachers. In my case, most of them come from my teacher, Don Vicente Martin, the Mayan elder. And I am telling this because I really want us to really make more profound the connection with the Mayan calendar and how to use in our personal lives, because there are not only symbols or dates, that represents more than we believe.
When I was as a student with my teacher, he explained me about the important role to come back to the original sources, that in this case are the Mayan Codex, with intentions to connect with the cosmic energies and how these energies influence our planet and of course all human beings and living beings. As we know, in the last years, people have been working with the Solkin calendar, who is main connecting with the 260 days and with the energy of a birth process of a human being. The 260 days equal to the 9 full moons or cycles of 13 full moons. That is more connected with your personality as a human being, the process that is connecting with the days, but more with the moon energy. Now our new goal is to introduce you the Hab calendar. The Hab calendar is basically the source that we study in order to understand how the cosmic energies from the cosmos influence or affecting us in our planet and of course all living beings. Basically is the calendar who is 365 days, 18 months or 20 days, plus 1 month of 5 days, that the Mayans call the Guayeb. So why is so important that we are looking in this new focus? Because we know that is what is happening now in our planet. We are surrounded by cosmic energies from the atmosphere, for the cosmos, for the planets, from the constellations, as we have passed the solar eclipses, the lunar eclipses, the pass of asteroids, and all these phenomena that lately affected our planet. How can we help ourselves to process all these cosmic energies?
So I invite you from our hearts, if you have that interest, please stay in contact with us in LACE.